Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I style my daughter's thick hair. I have a giveaway coming up, so make sure you watch the entire video. The person will be announced in the video later on in the video, so make sure you watch the entire video. Thank you to the people who leave your comments, who we communicate in the comments. I tell you guys, this person is a person that I just picked out of the comment section. She always comments on our videos. She just engages with us, and I like that. And fall is my favorite time of year, so I'm in a giveaway mood right now. So I just want to shout her out, and later on in the video, you'll find out who you are. And also, when you find out who you are, please email us at customerservice@tmhairproducts.com. That's customerservice@tmhairproducts.com. And leave me your last comment that you posted on our video. The last comment that you posted on our video, I've already removed the comment from the video because people will go find the person, email me their comment to try and get free stuff. So I've already removed your comment. Email us at customerservice@tmhairproducts.com to claim your giveaway. If we don't hear from you in 48 hours, in our community tab, we'll post another one. So make sure you're a part of our community tab. So in 48 hours, if I don't hear from the winner, I will post another winner in the community tab. Okay, let's get to the video. I shampooed, detangled, deep conditioned her hair prior, maybe 2 days ago. All I've done now is parted a circle around her hair. That's all I've done. And I've started braiding individual braids. Now, when you're adding crochet braids, make sure you don't grip the root too tight because you're going to pull out your edges. Because remember, you have to slide a braid or whatever hair underneath the root of your hair. So that's how a lot of people lose their edges. And I hear a lot of people complain about how crochet braids has taken out their edges, but that's one of the ways you can prevent that. Of course, you know I'm using the braids.This styling aid, hands down best moisturizer in the world. Hands down, it is not greasy, doesn't leave buildup, and it keeps your hair moisturized for weeks. So great moisturizer. This is a must when you're doing your protective styles. You can't just put the protective style in your hair. You have to moisturize and protect your hair prior to the protective style so that your hair won't be dry and brittle and break very easily when you take the protective style out. And the styling aid is great because it keeps your hair moisturized for weeks and it isn't greasy. Also, just a tip, when you are doing crochet braids, make sure you do the individual squares according to the size of the crochet braid. So if you're doing small crochet braids, if your crochet braids are small, you want small squares. If your crochet braids are medium, you want medium squares. I mean, you guys get it, got right? So now we're moving on. I'm not braiding her whole head in individuals. I just braided the perimeter. Now I'm going to add the styling aid to the root of her hair and braid the rest of her hair in a beehive. Now you ask me, why do you put it on the root? I hear you. You don't even have to say nothing. I got you. I put it on the root because it helps fight odor. My girls are dancers and sometimes we go walking and things like that. And this particular daughter, she just a heavy sweater in her hair for whatever reason. She sweats really heavy in her hair, so it fights odor. So she's able to wear her hair for 4 to 6 weeks and not have odor like built up in her hair. Y'all know what I mean now. Come on, don't make me explain it. Y'all know what I mean. So that's what I love about the styling aid because it makes her hair smell good for an extended amount of time, and that's what I love. And also it moisturizes the hair and it's not greasy and it's great for all around styles. I use it for everything except for silk pressing. So hands down, it's a one of those go-to products that you can use for multiple things, and I love it. So as you can see, her hair is very thick, and my thick sisters, you're able to wear this style because as you'll see later on in the video, I'm sorry if you guys hear kids and stuff. We got Zooms and everything going on. Y'all know how it is. And I hope everybody is staying safe. And this is a cute hairstyle for Zooms, when you don't want to do too much because your kids are not going on campus to school or you're working from home and you don't want to do too much. And when you buy enough hair to do one style and then you have a few packs left over, this is a great way to use up all that the rest of that hair. I got man, I got y'all. Don't even worry about it. Don't even I got you. We got it covered. This is the giveaway winner. Ta-da! Thank you so much for all of your comments. Thank you so much for supporting TM Hair Products. Voila. Beehive done. Now you can see her hair is really thick. Like the beehive doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to see the style is still going to lay down right. It's not going to look bulky in the middle. It's going to be right. Now, this is what I mean. When you're adding crochet braids, you want the crochet braids to be the size that's appropriate for your box braid. I hope that makes sense. So you don't want your crochet braid too skinny and your individual kind of fat. You want it to look like, this is the goal. We want it to look like you're doing natural individuals. That's what we want it to look like. That's the goal. Now, as you can see, when I braided her hair, I braided them like bricks, except for those right there because I didn't want them to look too big. So bricks are like staggered braids. So that's a trick you can use if you don't want to use a lot of hair. You don't want to braid in straight rows. You want them to be staggered so you don't have to fill in so many spaces. And I hope that makes sense. Because this particular hairstyle I came up with because I only had like 3 packs of this hair left. And I wasn't going to order any more. So I'm like, okay, well, what can I do with these last 3 or 4 packs of hair? And this is what I came up with. And it came out really cute. It's cute. You know, when you don't want to spend a lot of money, it's cheap. So, you know, it works. It works. As you can see, it's not hard for me to slip the crochet braids into her hair. It's not pulling. It's not tugging. It's not uncomfortable. And that's what you want. Now, I'm going to add a few crochet braids into the beehive, but I'm going to stagger them. As you see my fingers, I'm going to stagger those. And I'm going to add a few, just what I had left. I'm going to just add those into the beehive. So this was just like 3 packs of leftover hair, like some extra hair that I had left over. So this could be a cute little fall holiday style. I hope you guys are staying safe. Hope everything is going well with everyone. Let's just stay safe, guys. This is the finished look. Came out very cute. There'll be pictures at the end. Don't forget, guys, engage with us in the comments because we pick a lot of giveaways out of our comment section. That's the easiest way for us to do it. So people who comment, that's who, you know, we give the giveaways to because if you don't comment, we don't know that you're there. We don't know that you want to try the product. So again, there'll be pictures at the end. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys are staying safe and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.